property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Property location, why attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and reviews that are given by guests about their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property is set major credit cards and reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of rooms is booked online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and numbers are available online for this property, along with various rooms and property. If you are planning to book it, you can do it through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description box.